We can take a trip to the Highlands. I'ma run it back like a Heisman. You ain't really shit but the hype man. Don't you entertain that shit cause he a hype man.
Alright you guys, so here we are with a new wig. I know y'all seen this wig on the gram and I bet y'all thought that I dyed it myself and cut it myself. Well, gotcha sis, you was wrong. So this wig is from Sassy Collection. I will have the link down below if I can find it online, but as of right now, I got this wig from Beauty Exchange Orlando. So I keep telling y'all to follow Beauty Exchange Orlando. It's because they the mother flipping plug, okay? So inside the wig is looking like this. You know, synthetic wig, festivities and stuff like that. Putting the wig on, and I was just trying to show y'all that the wig is secured. Like, my wig not falling off. I've been on. My wig staying on, okay? So now I'm going to go in, and I pulled out my natural hair in the front, or my permed hair, I guess. And I laid my baby hairs with this because it was just too wiggy being right on top of my hairline. So I had to finesse the baby hairs. And I'm not going to talk too much for that because y'all got that. Alright, so, I mean, I don't know how many times I gotta tell y'all, make sure you're tying your hair down with the silk scarf. So let's get into the eyes. So for my base, I'm using a white base, and this is my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Milk. I like to use this when I'm doing vibrant colored looks. As you can see, my look here is inspired by my hair, and I honestly got this exact eye look from Mitchell on Instagram, so shout out to him for that. But this is what I'm going with, and I'm using my Morphe 35B palette. I'll let you guys watch for this portion, but just know that to stick my shimmers and to cut the lid, I used my NYX glitter primer, and then I went in with it. Also, for the inner corners, I used my Kim Kardashian X Mario palette, and I used that white silver shade from it. So I think that's everything. Okay, so for foundation, I'm using my favorite combo, Fenty Beauty and NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I love this combo because they're literally both the same consistency and have the same coverage. Now, the reason why I like to mix them is because the lady at Sephora matched me really wrong. Like, the shade she gave me for Fenty was too orange, so I like to use my NYX foundation to balance out the color or whatever. So, yeah. I like to use my NYX Professional Makeup Brush for that. And now you're seeing me go in with Kylie Concealer. And this one is in the shade Granola. I like to go in with Granola first. And then I'm going to follow in with Peanut. Peanut! So I'm going to let my concealer sit for a little bit. You guys aren't going to be able to see that happen. But I like to let my concealer sit for a little bit just so it can get a little bit more thick and blend to its best of its ability and give me the fullest coverage ever. Like, who doesn't want full coverage, right? So after blending out my concealer, I go in and cream contour, and I'm using my NYX Mineral Stick Foundation Sticks. First, I'm going in with the color Rich because it is more so a warm shade, but I also go back and go in with Cocoa because Cocoa is a little bit more of a darker, cool tone, and I just feel like a little bit of Cocoa just completes my contour for what I'm going for, especially to cover this 67 head, you know what I'm saying? So then I go in with my Real Technique sculpting brush and blend that the freak out. Okay. Oh man, this stuff got me high as hell sniffing it. Nah, I'm playing. I don't do that type of stuff. Don't do drugs, kids. But I'm going to go in with my Coty Airspun powder and set it and forget it. You know what I mean? Like, we really have to set the under eyes and the face to make sure our makeup stays in place. Okay? Come on, it's part of life. Anyways, yeah, I'm going ham with that. You know, codeine. I almost said it's Coty. I almost said codeine powder. Listen, I don't know what's going on. But I like to cut my jawline and make me look like the man that y'all say I am. Like, you know what I'm saying? I want to look very masculine and manly. Like, I want to take your bitch. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm doing that with this Coty Airspun right here. And then I'm going to let that sit while I work on powder contouring my face. Setting the cream contour with powder contour. Okay? And that I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild contour palette contour. And yeah, so enjoy that. So back to the under eye, and I mixed these two colors just to give me a nice little blend on the under eye. And like I said, I went in with my inner corner highlight, and I used my NYX glitter primer again to put that KKW X Mario shadow on my lid, or on my inner corner, sorry. I know, you guys, but now is the time where we are not looking casket ready anymore. I know it's sad, right? I love looking casket ready, right? So I'm going to sweep off that baking powder like I did, and I'm going in with my NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat face powder, okay? And this is what transforms me back to me, back to my skin tone, back to life, yeah, back to reality. Okay, back to the blush, okay? I'm using my NYX Ombre blush in the shade Feel the Heat. Y'all gonna see this blush all the time because I just love it so much. Into the mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. And that's the best mascara in the whole wide world. Okay? I already told you. So to spray the face and set it and forget it again, we are going to use MAC Fixed Plus. Yes, girl. Spray it all over your face and make sure you are fanning it out to secure the makeup. I know I have problems securing my wig, but we are going to secure the makeup. My makeup is not coming off in the pool. Look up on moi. Okay? Listen, take me swimming on the first day, boo. You're going to be real mad. So now I'm going with my Jeffree Star X MUA Eclipse highlighter. I know Jeffree Star low-key canceled, but I got this way before I knew about all that stuff, and it's still bomb. It's like an icy champagne-y highlight, and I was just feeling those type of vibes with this purple and blue, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics for the eyeshadow palette, and then I'm going to use that purplish lavender shade to give me that purple highlight. You know what I mean? Well, as for the lips, can we guess what she's gonna do? Huh? I'm using Ruby Kisses lip pencil in the shade Nutmeg, and then I'm gonna go in with MAC Cosmetics Naturally Transformed, and then I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss that I got for $1 from Beauty Exchange Orlando. And that's pretty much it for the look, you guys. Enjoy me showing you how I get my space buns and my chopsticks just to pop-ish, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video, though. I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest and enjoy the music and whatnot. So check me next time. Follow me on the social media. You already know. Okay, bye.
Make me human. Yeah, I stand alone.
take a trip to the Highlands. I'ma run it back